problem here. And the function above b is a constant. If f of 6 is equal to 7, what is the value of f of negative 2? When we say f of 6, that means the value of x here is 6. So when x is 6, the value of y is equal to 7. We have to find the value of y when x is equal to negative 2. So we're given this function here, f of x equals 3/2 x plus b, but we don't have the value for v, but we're given the values for x and y, which is 6, 7. So the first thing we do here is solve for the value of b before we can solve for f of negative 2. So that would be f of x equals 3/2 x plus b. So f of 6 is just equal to 3/2 times the value of x equals 6 plus b. It says that f of 6 is equal to 7, so we replace f of 6 with 7. So that is 7 equals 3/2 times 6 plus b. 7 equals, okay, this is 3 times 6 is 18 over 2 plus b. So 7 equals 9 plus b. We subtract 9 from both sides. So 7 minus 9 is just negative 2 equals b. So the value for our b is equal to negative 2. So our equation now, this equation or function would be f of x equals 3/2 x minus 2. So that is plus the value of b, which is negative 2. That's why this is minus 2. And now we can solve for the value of f of negative 2. So f of negative 2 is just equal to 3/2 times negative 2 minus 2 equals negative 6. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 divided by 2 minus 2. This is f of negative 2. And this is just equal to negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3 minus 2. So this is equal to negative 5. Therefore, the value of f of negative 2 is just equal to negative 5. Let's solve another problem here. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, this one, what is the value of y? So we need to solve for the value of y here. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. So to solve for the value of y, we can write the first equation as x equals 6y, and then we plug in this equation or this expression or the value of x to the second equation. So that is 4 times y plus 1 equals x. 4 times y plus 1 equals the value of x, which is 6y. And then we simplify this one, this expression on the left, by distributing 4 to the expression inside the parentheses. So that is 4 times y, 4y. Copy the operator's sign, which is plus. Then 4 times 1, that is 4, equals 6y. And then subtracting 4 from both sides, this cancels out. So we are left with 4y equals 6y minus 4. And then subtracting 6y from both sides, this cancels out. So we have 4y minus 6x is negative 2y equals negative 4. And dividing both sides by negative 2, negative 2 cancels out. So this is just equal to positive 2, because negative 4 divided by negative 2 is just equal to positive 2. Therefore, the answer here is letter A. The value of y is equal to 2.